In the way to creating pop-up menu button, first of all we are going to take scaffold, and in the scaffold we are going to make an app bar. In app bar we are giving the title, and in title we are giving the text, and in text we are going to give the text title as pop-up menu item, or we can say that pop-up menu button giving the text. And we are providing just app bar, and then after that we are going to give actions. In actions we are giving constant for better performance, and in the actions we are giving pop-up menu button, and in item builder we are giving context, and after that we are going to give pop-up menu item. So pop-up menu item, where it is, and here it is. And in the pop-up menu item we are going to give, in the child we are giving the text, and in text we are giving item 1 and providing the constant. And when we give the item 1, after that we are going to do what? We are going to make 4 items. Here the pop-up menu button appears in the app bar, and after that we are going to copy this pop-up menu item and paste it 3 more times to make 3 more pop-up menu item. And by doing this, the 4 items showed in 4 pop-up menu items showed in the pop-up menu button after clicking the pop-up menu button. And we are going to change this, and when we click it we got this 4 pop-up menu items after clicking the pop-up menu button. So we are done with the pop-up menu button, how to create a pop-up menu button in Flutter. So about from my side that it's about, we can also customize this pop-up menu button more and more by providing actions, and in actions we could give pop-up menu button, and in pop-up menu button we provide 4 pop-up menu items: item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, and here it is the pop-up menu item. So that's it for this video. Thank you.